Hello, I'm Peter from autonlaturit.com and this is our CCS-CHAdeMO adapter. And today we are going to see how it works. Let's go. It comes with a nice bag and let's see what it contains. The product is quite heavy and here we have the CCS end and of course the CHAdeMO end and two stop buttons and the power on switch, but don't press it just yet. First we put it in the car. Okay, now we are ready to start the charging process. I'll do it with my phone. Come. Now it shows that we can start to charge. And now we can start the adapter by pressing a couple of seconds of that. And then now we hear the click sound. And then we wait a couple of seconds, the charging starts. It takes a while to do the handshake. Now the power starts to increase slowly. If we would have the Leaf E Plus with bigger battery, we would get up to 75 kilowatts charging speed. But with this car, with smaller battery, we get something like 50 kilowatts. We also have a nice little bonus, a locking option. Here you can see a small hole where this lock goes through. The lock is included in the price. So now you can't press this down, so no one can take the CCS plug off. So you can have your coffee in peace. Okay, that's about it. It's pretty easy to use. We have very satisfied customers. You can go read the reviews in our web store. If you have anything you want to ask, feel free to send us email. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.